So I used to penalize my AI on every step by giving him negative reward. Looks like this, but I essentially stopped doing that. And the reason is um, on every step he gets penalized or rewarded anyway by using this proximity reward. So let's say if the target is water, if he's getting closer to the water, he gets rewarded. Otherwise, he gets penalized on every step. So on every step, he gets either penalized or rewarded. And if he's being penalized using this, and at the same time, if I use this, he would be essentially penalized twice. And this method is called step penalty, where literally you'd be penalizing your AI on every step to avoid your AI stalling or staying at the same position so that he would be more active. But as you can see, so I've just added this for uh, demonstration purpose, but I no longer have this line of code. And as you can see, he's pretty active, moving around, not stalling. So yeah, and also the values returned by these proximity reward is relatively larger than this proximity reward. Because this looks obviously pretty small, and the reason I used to use this small value is if I if I set this to larger value like this, now this step penalty would dominate this proximity reward and he would stop learning. I want my AI to learn that he gets I want my AI to learn that he needs to collide, he needs to get closer to the target and collide with these objects, but he would stop learning that if I made step penalty larger like this, because like I said, the stop penalty would dominate this, and even though he gets closer to the targets, he would be penalized anyway by this. The neural network gets confused, stop he would stop learning. And so it's pretty common to use small values for step penalty. So that's why I used to set uh, small value like this. And also yeah, like I said, the performance hasn't changed after I removed it. So yeah, like I said, it's pretty famous method, but I mean, my AI used to stall, never. So that's why I've added. But like I said, I have this proximity reward now. So yeah, maybe I'll add it back later. But yeah, now it's fine. And related to this proximity reward, inside it I use this function called distance reward, which essentially uh, reward my AI if he's getting closer to the target than previous step. Otherwise, he gets penalized. And this is the original version of function I wrote or implemented. But later, I've added or made some fix so that I divide this product by current distance, and this is to avoid dividing by 0. So I used to divide this product by current distance so that I thought more he gets closer to the targets, larger reward he would be receiving, because if he's far away from the target, this is um, larger than if he's closer to the target, if he's close to the target. So, like I said, if he gets closer to the target, this total result would be gets larger. And I thought this would work for AI, essentially for a neural network, but it really didn't. And I I reverted back to this version, and this training is using this version. And as you can see, I mean, I'm not showing you the training of using this function, but yeah, just trust me, the performance is pretty bad. He doesn't even try to get closer to the targets. So I think essentially what was happening is that if the if AI is far away from the target, I'll be essentially dividing this product by large value. Then if he's close to the target, and this total result would be small, and I'll be giving my AI small reward. And I think that that wasn't enough for AI to learn. So essentially, I was not giving him enough reward to learn, to get closer to the targets, and essentially eventually getting collide, uh, eventually colliding with the targets. So I think by using this, I was not giving him enough reward, so that neural network was not learning or stopped learning like I was using this version. So yeah, I just reverted back to this original version, and things are working fine. So yeah, I think this is it for today's video, and thanks.